everybody, and welcome back to Glenn and Grace's Reviews and Recipes. Today, Grace is going to be making...
Menudo!
Menudo! Did I say that right? Menudo?
Menudo, yeah.
Menudo or menudo?
Menudo.
Yeah, what she said.
Menudo.
Okay, here we go, guys. Grace is going to start us off with the ingredients.
Alright, guys. I have here a carrots. 2 medium size of carrots. 2 medium size of a potato. I have 3 tablespoons of oil. I have 30 grams of pork liver and then small amount of ginger. And
what's the ginger for?
It's so that the pork liver will not be smelly.
It's not going to be smelly, but you're
Yes.
going to take that out, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I have this 50 grams of pork. And I have tomato sauce.
How many ounces is tomato sauce?
8 ounces or 1 small can of tomato sauce.
Okay.
And then I have small onion. I have 3 cubes of cloves of garlic.
Okay.
And then I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I have 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. I have 1/4 spoon of salt. And I have 1 box of raisin. And I have 2 pieces of bay leaves.
Bay leaves. Okay.
And I have 2 small pieces of bell pepper.
Okay.
And I have 3 cups of water. And I have also 1
Boullion
nor
cube.
cubes.
Okay.
That's it.
All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and start throwing this together for you. Hang in there because this looks like it's going to be a good one. Say hi.
Hello.
All right, guys, Grace is ready to go ahead and start cooking her menudo. Jeez, I hope I
Yes.
said that right.
Yes.
Sorry for my pronunciation, guys. All right, go ahead, Grace, take us away.
Alright, I put a small amount of oil, guys. Just small amount.
Because we're going to be using that like 2 or 3 separate times, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what kind of a heat are we going on?
High
Low-
heat.
High heat?
Yeah,
Okay.
so that it's gonna be high and gonna be heat right away. So.
Okay.
Alright.
Is this a popular dish in the Philippines?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
More in the North Philippines, in the Luzon area, or is this more of a
I think it's
Cebu Bisaya dish?
No, I think it's everybody. Like it's in the whole Philippines.
All of the Philippines?
Yeah,
Okay.
they use it, but they make it like a different kind of ingredients. But this ingredients is popular there.
Okay.
All right, I put the potato, guys.
Ooh, sizzle.
Potato and also the carrot. And then mix it.
And how long do you cook these for? You just trying to get them a little softer, or trying to get some color? What is the goal
Like a
here?
color or softer. Like maybe like 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay. Should we go ahead and come back then?
Yes.
After the 2-3 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and come back after just a few minutes, and we'll let you know what the next step is. Here we go with the next step. She's got these carrots and potatoes where she wants them, so she's going to go ahead and put them in a bowl here until later.
Put it on the bowl. Oops.
Okay, those ones on the side, those are Jericho's. Jericho gets those.
All right, and then we put again
Little bit
oil,
of
guys. A
Okay.
little bit oil, so that we put the pork liver.
All right, and you're taking the ginger out now?
No,
you're
I
gonna-
just put it here.
Okay.
So. Hold on.
Okay.
Mix it a little bit. And then we put the ginger, guys.
That's just to help infuse a little flavor.
And also the smell. Because some people, they don't like the smell of pork liver. That's why they don't like to eat it. But yeah, this if you put ginger, guys, the smell it's go away. For that. And just cook a little bit, guys. And then after this, I will take it out. And then I start my menudo. It's so easy, but it have a lot of stuff. But it's so easy, guys. Try it. And I think this one is ready to go.
Ready to go?
And then I will put this one on the bowl.
So you probably cooked that for what, 2 minutes maybe?
Yeah, like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I put it in the bowl, guys.
Okay. Here we go. Use the bowl.
Yeah.
Now you're not going to serve that ginger, are you?
No.
Okay. So guys, make sure you take the ginger out because it's not diced or anything. It's just a kind of a large cube of ginger. Nobody's going to want to eat that. So.
Okay. And then I use this.
Okay, we're switching over to the pot.
Using
Okay,
the pan.
and you're going to use some more oil then?
Yes.
All right.
Oil.
And what are we using? What kind of oil are we using now? Was it olive oil?
I always use olive oil, guys.
Okay.
I always use olive oil. Okay. We wait until it's hot so that we put this.
We're just waiting for it to heat up a little bit, guys. Guys, if you're enjoying Grace's videos or mine, if you watch mine, we'd love to hear any comments that you guys have. Like and subscribe. We're, just trying to grow this channel. We're just, having a good time. This is just fun for us to put these videos up. We are going to be doing a lot of vlogging, especially when we start doing travel. So stay tuned for that as well. And we really appreciate you joining us here. Okay, next step.
All right, I put the garlic. Smell good.
Yeah, garlic and onions make every dish.
Yes. Onion.
All right. Now you're going to sweat these down for a few minutes?
Yes, to make it like brown a little bit.
Okay.
And then smell good, guys. It smells good.
Now do we need to take a break for a second, or are you going to go ahead and put the meat in just 1 second?
I put the meat.
Okay.
There you go, guys. I put the meat, guys.
So what's the total cooking process from start to finish for this meal?
I think like 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
30 to 45 minutes.
Is that the actual cook time, or is that like the prep included?
If you put the prepping like 1 hour.
1 hour to prep it all?
Yes.
And so in about 30 to 45 minutes to cook it all?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Because we want the meat getting soft.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're going to need to go ahead and come back in a few minutes
Yes.
then? Okay. We'll see you in a few minutes, guys. All right. Grace is ready for her next step. So tell us what to do, Miss Grace.
So I put the pork liver, guys. Pork liver. Mix a little bit.
What was the total cooking time on that pork?
It's like 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then I put this carrots and potato and mix a little bit. And then all the ingredients, guys, we put it. I put the bell pepper, raisin, so that it's gonna be like sweet.
A little sweetness there.
Instead we use of sugar. So put this bay leaves and then the soy sauce.
So if you didn't like the raisins, you probably could substitute a little bit of brown sugar or honey or something like that.
So, and I put also the nor cubes and also the water, guys.
Okay. So the only thing we have left right now is the salt and pepper that we're going to add in a little bit later to season it up.
Yeah.
There's the water.
So I put tomato sauce. And I put first the 2 cups of water, guys. We will see how many we need. So, alright, and then we will bring this to boil and soft the meat, and then we will be right back later.
All right, be right back, guys. We're gonna let this cook for a bit. All right, guys, here we are with the finished product, and Grace is gonna tell you a reminder real quick.
Guys, don't forget to take out the bay leaves and also the ginger.
All right, so look at this,
Look at
guys.
that, guys.
This is absolutely wonderful looking.
Yummy.
You can eat all this now?
I can eat it later, but I bring it at work.
All right, guys. Thank you very much. We hope you
Thank
enjoyed
you.
this video, and we will talk to everybody soon. Hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Leave a comment if you liked it and you tried it. All right, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.